Okay, welcome back everyone. Ryan here again. Really hot out there here in Ohio this week. It's like 100 degrees with the heat index and everything. It's like 86 degrees here in the showroom. We don't have AC in here. Well, we kind of do, but a lot of them, but it's kind of inefficient when you're blowing the hot air in the same space. So I wanted to kind of showcase a new product that we've been working with. This is one of our Polar Fox Elite units. So traditionally, we've used the dual purpose starting battery that you see back here. They're kind of expensive. They retail for about $9.50 a piece. So with our 12 volt system, 7500 BTU system, it's a pretty reasonable price for what good APUs, the EPUs are selling for out there. But we wanted to get our 24 volt 10,000 BTU system a little bit more price competitive out there. Traditionally, this system with the dual purpose starting batteries has been like $9,500 plus with installation. So we want to get that cost down and give a lot bigger capacity system out there. So what we did, we've done a little collaboration with LiTime on their batteries, with their 24 volt batteries in particular, 230 amp hour battery. So if you're thinking in terms of a 12 volt system, that would be 460 amp hour system. So that's actually more capacity than what our current 4 battery dual purpose system has. Those are 100 amp hours a piece. And you have a 12% reserve on each battery, so you're down to actually about 360. So this is about an extra 100 amp hours that you'd be seeing if it was a 12 volt, 24 volt system. So 50 amp hours more on the 24 volt side. So we're going to do kind of a promotion here at our location in Ohio, and a couple of our other dealers across the country. They are participating as well. So what you're essentially going to get is a 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, 300 CFM fan system. All the components here, all the sizes and everything are the same as our 12 volt system. There's really no differences in the steel structures and components and all that. The only difference is the voltage and the components inside themselves. So again, 10,000 BTU, 300 CFM fan, and we're packaging that with the LiTime 230 amp hour battery here. And right now, while supplies last, I think we've got about 65 of these units in stock right here at the warehouse right now. We're going to be doing these for $7,000 out the door, installation, everything, plus tax if you're not tax exempt. So like I said, $7K, everything installed out the door. So the batteries we are using, they also carry a Bluetooth app as well, so you can monitor the battery. We do have a optional battery monitor here, so that actually gives you capacity of the system. Right now this is a fully charged battery. It's at 100%, and I'll turn this on to kind of show you how it works. Actually 88 degrees in here now. So the compressor hasn't kicked in yet, so you can kind of see what we're drawing. And as that kind of stabilizes, it actually gives you an estimate on your runtime, so which is pretty nice. And you can set alerts and stuff for alarms, like when it gets down to 10%, it'll give you an alarm to start your truck, or when you need to start your truck to charge. So nice cool air. And that's actually, I mean, I'm like 12 feet away. We still got a nice strong stream of air. So right now we've kind of stabilized right around 24 volts, and we're showing right about 10 hours right now. So, and that is an estimate. That's there is a little give and take because it's not actually, let me shut this off. Because it's not actually pulling the data from the battery. It's just given because we set the high voltage and the low voltage on that, and then it determines by when the battery actually shuts off. So that's kind of that product. We have those available with the unit. Parts installation here at our location in Ohio is $350 out the door. Again, plus sales tax if applicable. Also, the other thing, we are using a smart DC-to-DC charger with this system to charge from the truck. That's included as well. We have 2 different options that we're using. Both of those, one is I believe 25 amp going to the 24 volt side, because it's 12 to 24. We have one that's a 25 amp. We have one that's a 50 amp as well, I believe. So that's kind of a rundown on this system as well. So like I said, why the supplies last, we're going to be offering that this summer. So a lot of capacity there for I think a pretty reasonable price for what the competitors have out there, unless you're buying, one-time use type of stuff off of, the Alibabas and Amazons and that type of thing. But we're not trying to compete with them here. We're trying to make a quality product. So other than that, and also one other thing I just want to bring up is parts. So again, like with a lot of those one-off type of units out there, I had a customer, he was actually here the other day, that was, he was just looking for a fitting, a fitting on one of these cheaper units, and you can't get them. So one thing with our systems, we have everything that's in this system here. All of your parts. We got your fans, we got your controllers, we got your remotes, compressors, controllers, blower fans, evaporator, condensers, everything for that system, all the hoses, we have all the fittings. So if anything ever was to happen with one of our systems, we got parts here in stock. You ain't got to worry about buying a whole nother unit, to fix an AC line hose or a compressor or whatever. So we do have all the components here for these systems. Okay, and kind of lastly, I just want to kind of give a shout out to LiTime. They've been a good partner to work with here, or collaborator. We demoed a few of their batteries. We've tested them here, and we've been pretty satisfied with the product. If you do have an AC already and you're looking for some batteries, we do have a promo code down in the description where you can get 10% off of all their products on their website. They do sell on Amazon as well, but they do have their own dedicated website, and we have a promo code for 10% off of the products on there, and that goes for they got some different chargers. They got a lot of different battery types. So if you're looking in the battery market and some of the other electrical products, check their website out and use our promo code to get a little bit of money off. Also with that, we still have a few of our DIY backpack units. The system here, 12 volt, 7500 BTU. It utilizes the same components that we use in our Elite systems. So again, we have all the parts and everything going down the road. These are $1,600 right now, and that is AC only. So that's basically what you see here is what you get. With lines, it's pre-charged. You install it, hang it, and get your own batteries or whatever. And again, the LiTime battery, they do have a 12 volt, 460 amp hour, which would be a great cost-effective unit to package with this. One other thing I will mention about these particular batteries, they are IP65. So they do need to be in a watertight box outside the truck or installed under the bunk, which a lot of people are doing these days. So the last couple installs we've done, we've installed them in the bunk. We've made a nice little bracket for them and a strap to hold them down and all that to be secure. So, but again, if you're interested in this, we got the promo code for the LiTime batteries as well. So you could probably get into a system for, with the parts and everything for under $3 grand or so and put it in yourself. So. But that's what we got going on right now. I think we probably have about 40 of these left right now, but once they're gone, we're not going to manufacture any more, and that's the end of them as far, because we're actually selling them for under production cost right now. But that's pretty much all I got right now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and of course, like the video.